Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to create custom search engine shortcut in Chrome. To create custom search shortcut in Chrome, open settings in the top right corner. So I'm going to hit the three dots in the top right corner, press settings. Inside, I'm going to head over to search engine on the left side panel and press manage search engines inside search. Inside, I'm going to scroll a little bit down. Under or next to site search, you're gonna hit add. Now all you gotta do, add the name, the shortcut, like maybe for example, YT, in the URL with this percentage s in place of query, right? So enter the keyword in the website search URL with percentage s replacing the search query. Now all you gotta do, you can open a new tab and click into the address bar, which is here basically, and type your shortcut like YT, right? And press space or tab on your keyboard and type your search term and hit enter. Chrome will now instantly query that specific site. So consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps. See you in the next one.